Ma yensamu achibiem ne mo akwa Adom TV Badwam Jumade so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegwa say enim kransensem de edu so no Badwam kase ansam no ne obetie bi enie enipa enwotwe ya wokoye adwuma wa mafie bi mo no wo mo forensic reports abansaka eno ne sembi anope yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com nsemi ne nsembebre ewo ho bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den semni chemu ankasa etie aban ensa ka DNA report a won mo ekoye wo South Africa fa Ghana de hye enwotwe ya wokwa akoye adwuma wonam so wiomhyen ekotehwe ye ne wato nanom ansiadwe.
Today, we are taking the final batch of the results of the investigation and examination. Yeah, so last time when they were going, we told you that we're going to expedite action on it, given the circumstances at hand. So, by the grace of God, we have the final batch today. But the first batch even came earlier than today. Yesterday we had the first batch, and today is the final batch. That was the Muslims one, Honorable Butala and Honorable Olive. That was the reason why today we have been able to perform the final burial. Samples of the remains for some examinations and investigations. And so the results is ready today for easy identification of our heroes who failed.
Ghana Yamampani John Dramani Mahama so na akasade afa DNA report na won mu nsa kenti ema ho kwan ema nkramofo mienu na ewo mu no anu anhyehyɛ ne amamre kɔso a yapɛ won krabre.
Asundwumadi a oyede ma muslimufo mienu a no wonom ete wiemuhyen yakotehwe adanse mpatam ho na anu ukuada Ibrahim Mutala Mohammed ya ono yemrahye bedwani de mo manfo Watermale Central no yesoafo ohwe obade abobrem abode manyansa pani abefo kwanso dwumadi ho nsam so ene Alhaji Lemuna Miniru Mohammed ya ono nso eye pani abede kire ohwe man bambo ho nsam so ase ena mampani Dwandramani Muhammad tudwa se
the bodies were made it difficult for us to identify positively which was which. And that's why we had to go through the scientific forensic process of identifying. Happily, that process was ended yesterday, and we received electronically the forensic results for our two brothers. And that's why we have come to bury ahead. As I speak, the forensic reports for the rest have also arrived. And so in consultation with their families, we would decide how their funerals should be held. But as we said, on the 15th of this month, we'll hold a state funeral for all of them.
Rahusam na SCS ex-military officer wanya ne mfinhia bedu no nso yenkwohwe a wawu adane dem e wo fifi down bro no bi wo nyanya no kakraba wo Gomwa East mensimu wo mfinfi mantem.
Military officer bia wakona homeji mu esuse wodi mfinhia no aduonum eni omanfo bia kwakohu no se wawu atonifie e wo fifi dan no eyebro no bia wonyanya no kakraba e wo Gomwa East mensi no mfinfi mantam no emu posifo ekira wono enya call efri timemfo bi wo se wono ate pampan bi e wo opani efia wono mu no madekudepot yana ema enkan yi efrifie ho ba na nso wabre wono ebura edan mu no wono kohu se opani ewuda hono ma emmoa edi ne honam na we ena enam soma environmental officers a wono Gomwa East Mensri mu assembly ede enuro ekofi hono ma wono ekopompe ho nyina enam sene na enka no age empotemu hono mo ebra wono edi sa adwuma no ena aposifo nso wono efi Central East Regional Police Command ena fi asrafo bi so ebepie mu ho a wono befa opini emu edekoto police hospital amukrabia wono hyenhwehwemu ede afa nsemi eho.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ugu social no yemfri ho na yemunra yensem foforo mu na me kase yesi Kwawu West mensi ni mu no mpox yedi kan unity ewo ho.
Unfortunately monkeypox yare na yabo hu edero won crying mia no ne radio ahodo so no ene kwa west yes so unfortunately so nya one case na me fan to aso so say patient ni free crying ene ba ye ohun so yare wa yare be 2 weeks one crying ne ho nto no ntani obefie the one ho ya no nti obefie for home support and it's unfortunately oba ya ye de ne call yen clinic ye kopi honom na yen suspect you know lab result by a confirmed case of positive but me adeba kro no nti ase ne say the chrono should remain calm monkeypox ehu but enye hu bebre ti say covid by you know
so one more osa so de kan ho biem say
body to body contact no ena high eno nti no ne make sra ne say sa break ko idie say ye kiss say ye hage say ye ne oba ne be ma na by heart say ye did that man form paso sorry obi na makwada ha ada ha amanfo pillows o de ne did tare ho ene amanfo brush towels o se na o me ko hwan me nkra brush me nkra towel nti ko use no eno de yen try very hard to resist from it na mo mbiem no yare viral disease being a viral disease no yen shedan so ni ehun adro potin
Enei a make say wabambo mu nhyehyeye no nti asukufo a won mo tro won mo wasi bear 400 won kwanta senior high school no yaka won mu nyina gu edan ba kuma mekire boarding yaye won mu nyina boarding borders sebeya won mo bambo ho nsem be koyie no watwe nsohwe na somdwe mu a osofo a wo hwe enwumasua so Haruna Idrisu ene den semi etuda.
In the OT region, we probably will have to provide some additional logistical support to get some students who ordinarily will be day students, but we are converting them momentarily into boarding students, about 400 of them, for the purpose of undertaking these exams, who are also victims of the conflict in that particular part of the country. So the Ministry of Education will support you with adequate logistics to be able to deal with that. Now, the assessment institution of the West Africa Examination Council, I'm aware that at least in the last few weeks and months, we have sought to get funds to adequately provide for their financial needs. There is a margin of about 67 million Ghana cedis that will be made available to you on or before Friday, Monday.
Headmistress here, one of the Ebenezer Senior High School, I know ye Anastasia Konedu. One more 84th anniversary, ne 17th speech and prize giving day. Na hono de adisratum penifo nim so mesi adan ma won se be ya school no ebenya dormitory sankra ebetimi ada school nim.
Headmistress yewe Ebenezer Senior High School Anastasia Konedu abra wo mo edioma finche de toso de watwe nan na won mo speech and prize giving de toso don so share so school ni emo no wo de sere ato aban wanim sa dama wo mbra won mo sraban emo na de suafoi won si bia bi ma wo mo betumi de won ti ato.
Yes re yen sada yen sayem so mo checha wo mama nan so yeso na nkole yi bi emetne school mo so emra enya boarding no no mo metne school yi mu hwe ebite eyi kan dobro no be school obiti bujumburo mu ne be school obiti oyarefa ne be school sa kola ne be do school mu ano wabre wadwene bra bibie ni wa ye de to so eyeyi emba omo academic work no enkoso ne senti bebre ye late ansa no wabaha se omo ye sa de kuri mayen se omo aye school no boarding ya megie di se ebeboa eyi sa wo hawo ni nyina afiri wo.
Maminyere no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay ye de ase ye da semre ne adaje a wode maye wadaroma hwe mbiem nche kra ne mfa Adom online stories ne de bonkrata na yensa ka no ento aso medidi afia amankwa tamaklo.